Battle for Beaver Lake, an epic tale. In the heart of the wilderness, there lays a serene lake, home to a thriving community of otters. The lake, their haven, is under siege. A group of crafty beavers, with intentions as muddy as their dam, have set their sights on the lake. Deceit drips from their whiskers as they plot their takeover. With a devilish plan, the beavers approach the otters. They pour tales of a phantom pollution, ensuring the otters that their paradise is poisoned. The otters, innocent and trusting, swallow the beavers' tall tales. They begin to pack their belongings, their hearts heavy with the loss of their cherished home. But a spark of doubt flickers in the leader of the otters. He watches the beavers, his intuition gnawing at him. Something doesn't add up. He decides to investigate. He dives deep into the lake, searching for signs of this so-called pollution. The water feels as pure as ever. All the while, the beavers are busy building their dam, smirking as they watch the otters prepare to leave. Victory, they think, is within their reach. But the otter leader emerges from the lake, his fur slick with determination. He has found no traces of pollution. The beaver stories were just that, stories. He rallies his fellow otters, sharing his findings. Their eyes widen as they realize the depth of the beavers' deception. Anger replaces their fear. United, they confront the beavers, demanding answers. The beavers stutter, their lies crumbling like a weak dam. The otters' accusations hit them like a torrential current. The otters demand that the beavers leave, their voices echoing across the lake. The beavers, cornered and outnumbered, have no choice but to retreat. Upon their departure, the otters celebrate. The lake erupts with joyous splashing and playful squeals. Their homes and hearts are safe, and the beavers' plot has been foiled. But the otter leader stays vigilant. He knows that the beavers may return, their thirst for the lake still unquenched. His watchful eyes remain on the horizon. Through cunning and unity, the otters have successfully defended their home. Their tale serves as a reminder, a beacon of hope when faced with deception and greed. And so, the lake remains a sanctuary for the otters, its waters untouched by the beavers' treacherous claws. It's a victory for truth, integrity, and the spirit of unity. But the fight may not be over. The beavers' plot is a chilling reminder that threats can come from even the closest of neighbors. Yet the otters refuse to live in fear. They will protect their home, their community at all costs. This is the legacy they choose. Battle for Beaver Lake is not just a tale of survival. It's an epic story that teaches us about trust, courage, and standing up for what you believe in. Join us on this riveting journey as we uncover the truth, celebrate victories, and stand steadfast against any adversity. Because in the end, it's not just about a lake, it's about a home,